Guys, so my name is Viz Marius, and if you don't know who I am, so I'm an entrepreneur, dropshipper, and mentor. I've been in dropshipping from 2017 and still doing it now. I'm teaching people mentoring, but today I'm not going to talk about dropshipping or mentoring or whatever. I just want to show you guys the platform where you can earn money by doing nothing, literally. Um, I mean, there's many scams, scam websites with saying, yeah, you don't need to do nothing and you will get a lot of money or stuff. This is not true. I mean, that's why there is so many scam websites. They need something from you, um, and when you get it, if you give them something, you will get something back, of course. But this is platform where literally you're sleeping and getting money. And what I'm talking about is ai.marketing. What is this the platform? This platform based on the robot is like Facebook ads, Google ads, Yahoo ads, LinkedIn ads, and every ad in one platform. But you don't need to know nothing about that platforms, how to advertise, etc. things. The robot doing everything for you. So the main point is for this app, like you investing your money into ads which robot running, and every sale was made by a robot. You will get some cashback until 35% back. But first of all, I want to tell you, if you register via my link that I'm going to give you, you will get $50 voucher. That means you will get $50 just for free, and your robot will start work right away. But it's going to be not enough because until you spend your whole advertising budget, um, you need to refill your account, and because you need to refill your account, like invest, if you want, you can invest straight away more money, like 1,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, depends on you. More money you invest, more cashback you will get. And but if you want to stay not risky, you think this platform is scam or whatever, so you just can try with small amount of money. From the first look, I thought the same, that this is a scam website. But when I tried it and I cash out my first money, so I knew it's not the scam website. And my friends, some of my friends living from this platform, like they getting money from it monthly, and we surviving, like we living good life, 3, 4K per month for doing nothing. So basically, when you're taking a voucher, you will get $50 after 48 hours. It will be somewhere here, like in like $50, and your dashboard will look something like this. So here will be your advertising budget will be $50, and here is your profit, and the robot is at work. So if it's at work, everything is fine. If not, that means you need to invest a little bit more to make the robot work. So after you get your first $50, you need to give back the voucher. And that's the point why you need to, like, after you spend your all free money, like $50, your advertising budget, that's why you need to invest more, like $50, and you will receive uh, more money, like, because your first cash out can be from $100. And the main point is you can use that money always for investing in your advertising budget, like using your cashback to invest in advertising, right? So you don't need to use your own money from your bank account, from your card. You can use your cashback to reinvest and earn more money. So that's what I'm doing. And also I'm investing in Bitcoin, what means I'm withdrawing money to Bitcoin. So to make everything clear, I'm going to say the first points what you need to do. So first of all, you register via my link. I will show you how you need to register. Like, you're going to sign in, and then you need to press on the brains. This is INB network, and this is the most important thing, that you're going to register through this, not Google, not VK or something else. So just press on brains and log in your account, okay, or create one wherever. So when you will receive the money, you will receive the voucher automatically. You don't need to do nothing. Second step, what you need to do, just to wait 48 hours to get your $50 voucher into your advertising budget. Step three, what you need to do is wait until you can invest more straight away, or wait until you will spend your all advertising budget. Like here, you can see my advertising budget and my amount spent and my cashback. So, but this is all cashback. I invested here $450 just for test. So the rest money, like this is 900 or something, all the money is from cashback. I just reinvested it. Now from $450, I have this amount of cashback. So then your advertising budget will be the same as amount spent. Your robot will start work, so you need to do reinvestment. So reinvest $50, $60 or how much you want. I recommend to invest, like, if you have like 1,000, you can invest 1,000. You will get your cash back way faster, and you will get way more per day. Like here, 21, 27 per day, and my friend invested like 2,000 straight away, and he's getting $80 per day cash back. So imagine that you're doing nothing and you're getting $90 per day, right? Okay. So yeah, you need to reinvest and you need to give your voucher back. How you need to do that? Um, just go to transfer, and you will press $50, and you will press give back the voucher, and you will use your cashback money. So okay, so when you have your cashback, it takes 5 to 90 days. You can check here your all sales, like the robot makes sale on Digital, Gearbox, AliExpress, as you can see, chess deals, ASOS, or whatever. And the waiting time, so I have 43 cents, 52 cents. This is my cashback. So I need to wait 37 days to get it. So everything is here, also here, and everything is summing, right? So this is days, how long you need to wait. So it's until 90 days. So that means if you invest more, you will get more monthly. Um, so what I'm gonna do, like me, if I'm getting my cash back, like today I got 27 and I got back in on the evening $19 more. So what I'm going to do, I just will go to transfer, press $19. Oh, sorry, I'm going to top up $19, use cashback, pay. Okay, press OK. And now you can see that I have ads balance $46, and it will all come after 48 hours again. So it means every time you top up your account, you need to wait 48 hours. So yeah, basically it's the most easiest um, way to earn money online while doing nothing. Basically, if you're a student or whatever and you want to get money, if you want to earn money fast, you need to invest more, of course. If you want to earn money slowly, but you want to earn something, like I invested $450, and as you can see where I am now in 2 months, right? So, and now I'm always reinvesting and getting more and more and more cash back. And the most important thing, you can create your cashback account too. So that means you can create your link and give it to your friends, right? And after your friend registered through a link, you will get 5% to ai.marketing platform from his budget. And from every sale he will do, like here you can see cashback, right? I have 207 people who joined via my link. I gave them $50 voucher, right? And I'm got from them $622. So you can do the same with your friends, with your family, right? But guys, just uh, top up like 847. I got 42, and also you will get your cashback from ENB network. It's way more today, and transfer it to my Bitcoin cash wallet, to my Bitcoin wallet, $1,300. And I will show you how much it transferred from ai.marketing. So transfer and transfer history. So you can see everything I did to Bitcoin. This is all in dollars from when I started, from September, right? And okay. Just I'm saying it's not going to work if you want to transfer to Visa. Why? Because as you can see, it's only asking for a number, every bank requiring for expiry date. So you are not giving it, so your bank going to decline. So what I'm going to do, create a peer account or just Bitcoin wallet, like how it's called, change invest app. I will show you everything soon. So guys, this is the most easiest way to make money. Trust me. So this app called Change Invest. What I'm going to do, this is all the money I have here from ai.marketing. I'm transferring it every day, like, and you need to wait 24 hours to receive it. So like 24th of November, right? I received the money and transferred yesterday, and this is all sums from ai.marketing. So I'm transferring here to my wallet. And what is the good way for this app? It means you can sell the Bitcoin if you need cash, and you will order the card, like a credit card, from a change investment app, like this app, and you can use any ATM, right? And you can withdraw your cash. So this is easiest way to get money online, guys.